EVGA GPU farmer boosts GeForce RTX 3080 Ti crypto mining performance by up to 21%. Cryptocurrency miners discovered a fix to access more mining performance from the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti LHR graphics cards. The community found that flashing the BIOS with new firmware can increase performance. EVGA, on the other hand, recently offered an upgrade to the firmware for the GPU that has also been shown to increase performance in crypto mining. EVGA's new firmware upgrades for GeForce RTX 3080 Ti cards assist with efficient crypto mining, but can it help other manufacturers as well? Website OwnSnap, a small news site that covers current news in tech, gaming, finance, business, and entertainment genres, reported that the crypto mining community found a solution to gaining more performance from the NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti LHR silicon graphics cards by flashing the BIOS, or for those users with EVGA cards downloading the recent firmware upgrade. Reddit user BravoChart was the original source who recognized how to increase the performance of the RTX 3080 Ti LHR graphics card. The user went into detail that a large majority of RTX 3080 Ti LHR GPUs on the market have a hidden feature located in the default BIOS that accesses the power limit for the card that activates when GPU has moments of increased memory loads. This feature is something that crypto miners experience during their workloads. EVGA became aware of this situation with their graphics card and released a firmware upgrade. The new upgrade increases crypto mining performance with their cards and can be accessed using the EVGA Precision X1 software package. Once a BravoChart updated their firmware on their XC3, they noticed an increase from 66 MHz per second to an amazing 80 MHz per second, an increase of as high as 21%. The new firmware update is only available through the RTX 3080 Ti LHR model. Other EVGA RTX 3080 Ti cards such as the Founders Edition model will not have firmware update accessible. The Reddit users stated that if you download the EVGA RTX 3080 Ti XC3 BIOS with the most current firmware upgrade and flash the BIOS of a non-EVGA RTX 3080 Ti brand, you can essentially receive the same result. It is also noted that flashing another graphics card model with another card's BIOS highly dangerous if not performed correctly. And BravoChart states that there is a great amount of risk involved. Another YouTuber, Red Panda Mining, took their Inno3D 3080 Ti iChill X3 and used the EVGA XC3 BIOS to access the increased performance and found that they were able to achieve 91 MHz per second from their card, which is even higher than what was achieved with the specific EVGA graphics card that the firmware upgrade was made for. Could other companies release upgrades to help with the crypto miners market, or will companies attempt to prevent such occurrences from happening due to the decreased life of the cards once used in mining? We will have to see what the future holds with crypto mining increasing 41% from 2020 and still becoming one of the more profitable markets to start. So that's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.